It honors not just a kid, but a milestone. A track that delivered artistic excellence, technical mastery, and undeniable impact from chart-topping success and massive streaming numbers. The way it resonated with people everywhere.
This is the anthem that made us feel, sing, and remember. These are the nominees for Song of the Year.
Song of the Year nominees are
gusto ko magpasalamat kay Kuya ko, Kuya Red. Kami dalawa yung nagsulat ng multo dun sa childhood room namin. Kaya Kuya, kung wala ka dito. And ayun, syempre sa mga kabanda ko, sila yung bumuhay sa sinulat namin kanta. Grabe ang gagaling nila, Sol. Kasama namin nag-record ng song sila Kuya Abs, Kuya Davis, Cairo, and especially yung aming producer, si Kuya Shan, tapos si Joel. So, and especially sa aming mga fans, mga jowas. Maraming salamat dahil niluto kayong lahat. Patuloy nyo lang. Thank you very much. Sana hindi kayo makalaya!
And tonight, celebrating the most defining body of work in music this year, this award honors an album that stands as a complete artistic statement. With every track, lyric, and sound contributing to a larger and lasting vision. It recognizes not just commercial success and chart dominance, but emotional resonance, creative risks, ang haba ng sa akin, and storytelling that only truly cohesive album can deliver. A milestone in an artist's journey and a moment in music history. Here are the nominees for Album of the Year.
The FMA's Album of the Year nominees are The Evers,
sa album